Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect the Bluetooth mouse without USB receiver in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to make sure that your mouse is a true Bluetooth mouse and not the one that only works with the 2.4 gigahertz USB receiver. So when you have the mouse, the very first thing that you need to do here is to simply power it on. After that, you just have to press and hold the Bluetooth or the pairing button until the indicator light starts blinking. Then you just have to open your computer or your laptop. Then right click on the taskbar, then click on the option of taskbar settings. Over here, click on the option of Bluetooth and devices. Now you just have to turn on Bluetooth. Once it is turned on, click on the option of add device, then click on the option of Bluetooth. Now you just have to wait for some time until your device comes over here. Now when the mouse comes over here, you just have to click on it and then you just have to click on the option of connect in order to connect it. So once the connection is established successfully, your mouse should begin working immediately without any USB receiver. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.